Welcome back to Venom Motorsports. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to tighten your motor mounts on your premium Madix. It's a little bit different than the Grizzly. There's a skid plate on the bottom of this that we're going to have to remove first. So you're going to need an 8mm socket and ratchet, obviously. And you're also going to need a 10mm for the motor mount bolts. And you're going to need a 13mm as well. A 13mm wrench and a 10mm socket. So I'm going to show you how to do all this. We're going to get started here. What we're going to be wanting to do first is just cut 2 zip ties. There's a zip tie on each side here, just right here. We're going to snip that off on each side, and then we'll go underneath the ATV and we'll start taking those bolts off. Like I said, there's 3 8mm bolts, one on each side on the back and one in the front, and then that skid plate comes off. And then once we get the skid plate off, we'll see the motor mounts underneath. So I'm going to get my tools and my creeper here, and let's get started. I actually, let's see what I can do here. I want to kind of prop the ATV up, and then you'd be able to see better. I'll figure it out, don't worry. So I'll be right back. We're just down on the left-hand side. It really doesn't matter left or right. You're going to have to do both. So you're going to want to get underneath here and just snip this zip tie. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to go to the other side and snip it. There we go. So now we're going to get underneath and get the 8mm off. I'm going to take my camera off the tripod and just show you guys, just give me a sec, what I'm talking about. Like I said, there's going to be 3 of them, and you're just going to need an 8mm socket. So let's get you off here. Right over there. And if we go underneath here, you're going to see there's one here, one in the far corner, and then one up at the front. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off. Like I said, they're just 8mm. I'm just going to put like an 8mm socket on it, hit them off, and then I'll get to the motor mounts and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're underneath here now, and these are our 4 bottom motor mount bolts. So all you'd have to do is put a 10mm on them and give them a tighten up, just like that. These are all tight because it's brand new. Now, if you tighten this and it's all the way to the top and it just keeps turning and turning like it's stripped, definitely get back to us. I do have a fix for that. How to fix that so it doesn't do that anymore. You have to let us know. So you want to tighten up those 4. So that's the 4 motor mounts on the bottom. And you'll just, like I said, it's just a 10mm, tighten them up. They should all have lock nuts on them and a big washer, or sorry, lock washer and a big washer on them. So yeah, so that's where you tighten those up. And like I said, it's just a number 10. Now, the only other one that's left on it is the rear motor mount, which is right there. And that's a 10 on this side, but on the other side, it's a 13. So all you have to do is put your 13mm wrench. I think I brought that over too, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what I did with it. But I did bring a 13mm wrench. And put your 10mm on here. Or sorry, I brought a 10mm wrench and a 13mm socket. So I would use my 13 on the other side of that. And like I said, it's directly on the other side. And you just tighten it up. So we're gonna go to the other side. And there it is. And like I said, you just slip your 13 on there and tighten that up. This one's tight. And hold the other side with the 10mm wrench, and that's it. And that's it, guys. That's how you tighten up the motor mounts. Now, when you, like I said, about the bottom motor mounts, if you go to tighten those bottom motor mounts and they just keep screwing and screwing and screwing in, definitely get in touch with us and we'll help you get that fixed. I just need to know that it's happening. And that, guys, is how you tighten the motor mounts on your premium Madix ATV. So definitely like and subscribe, guys. Let us know in the comments what videos you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to get your DIY video up there. And that's it. Have a great day.